Miss Mardox Marie Salcido. Is an Undersecretary of Department of Budget and Management, DBM, where she is Group Head for Advocacy. Her office is in charge of Economic Affairs, Communications and Publications, Capacity Development, Knowledge Management and Stakeholder Relation, among others. She leads DBM transparency initiatives, and under her leadership, the Philippines has become the most fiscally transparent country in Asia, according to the latest Open Budget Survey. The DBM also received the first ever Information Integrity Award, given by the Presidential Communications Office, and recognition of its efforts for transparency and accountability.